You're all welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. My name Naima Bon. Today I want to show now how to make ginger biscuits. Our recipe na ginger. We get ginger here. We all know that ginger get medicinal value. That if you use ginger, cure so many diseases. Another recipe here na flour. This one na wheat flour. This one na sugar. This one butter, and this one na honey. You all know na normal honey. This ginger way you see na normal ginger way you dey see for market oh. But this one I buy am, peel am, grate am, then dry am. Now make you see am dey powder. For the measurement, flour here dey 1 cup. Sugar, I want to use half cup of sugar. Then this butter dey 250 grams. Ginger 2 spoon we I want put. Then the honey no go get measurements. As I dey put am, you go watch. If you have any question to ask me, you go subscribe make I tell you. Alright, make we start. You go sieve your flour and your ginger together. You put 1 tablespoon full of ginger. And add your sugar. This one na butter. You add your butter. And this one na rub-in method. Rub your butter to your flour. Say this one na honey. It's still rubbing. you mix am the thing no dey like fufu wey dey gummy, you go add another honey. If you need am finish, this one na our pastry board, and this one na the biscuit cutter wey you wan use. So you go cut am, put am for your board. You carry small flour rub on top of your pastry board. Make the dough no stick on your pastry board. This one na rolling pin. Okay, I'm done with the cutting. You saw my biscuit cutter. You saw when I rolled it, you put it on the pastry board, then roll it. Roll it and cut it to different shapes you want. It all depends on your cutter. So this one is my cutter. I decided to make it. So I'm done with the cutting. I'll now put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Bake it for 20 minutes, then remove it.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.